face. So talking about my overall experience, I like the face mask. Hey you guys, this is Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna review a brand which is La Organo. They sent me their products a month ago and I've been trying and testing it on my skin to actually give the honest reviews to you guys. If you're really interested in a skincare review video, so please keep watching this video till the end. Three products they sent me were their apple cider vinegar face wash, their facial serum which consists of 20% vitamin C, and this is their activated charcoal Dead Sea face mud mask. So I'm going to talk about these products today. I'm going to talk about my experience and the ingredients they have and how it worked for me. So talking about this brand has natural and organic skincare and hair care products. These products are free from chemicals, harmful chemicals, parabens and mineral oils. So they are available on many websites. They have their own website as well. You can buy their products from Amazon, Flipkart and ShopClues also. I'll give all the links in the description below. So talking about this face wash, the face wash is made of apple cider vinegar and they claim it purifies skin, prevents acne, balances skin oils. They have no sulfate and paraben in it. It can be used by men and women. So talking about the other ingredients, it has water, it has aloe vera, cucumber extract, rose infusion, glycerin. So the ingredients here are very great for oily and acne prone skin. I use this every morning and night. The texture is a gel texture and it doesn't foams up as it doesn't have SLS in it. So it lathers up enough to remove any excess oil or any makeup you've been wearing. You need to be careful while dispensing the product because it dispenses a lot of it at one go, so you need to take care of that. Also talking about the smell, I didn't really like the smell a lot. It's very overpowering to me. It didn't cause me any harm, but still it can be very harsh on sensitive skins. Feels stretchy and a bit dry after washing your face, but you don't need to worry. You can use a moisturizer. And I would rate this product 8 out of 10 as I like the ingredients and it didn't cause me any breakouts or any pimples. It is a quite good face wash. So the MRP for this is $4.99, but you will always find this on discount, that is ₹275. So talking about this vitamin C serum, this contains kojic acid, glutathione, aloe vera extract. It has hyaluronic acid as well. I don't know what's with the texture. It's like shimmery golden color. I don't know what's that, but the smell is again very overpowering in it and it goes away after the application, and the serum feels a bit sticky on the skin. If you follow it with a good moisturizer, you won't feel stickiness, and because of the vitamin C it tends to be sticky. So glutathione and kojic acid are a very good uh, antioxidants and they work very great for hyperpigmentation. Both the ingredients are a bit different but they work very great on the skin. So talking about my experience, this product has worked very great on my skin. I have been seeing changes in my acne and they dry out my acne very well without leaving a dark spot behind, and I see a bit of a glow when I wake up the next morning. I use this thrice a week after my face wash and follow up with a moisturizer. So they claim it reduces hyperpigmentation and everything, but I haven't seen any changes yet. I've finished half the bottle, but I haven't seen any changes. Also, it did work for me on my acne, no doubt. And I'll rate this product 7 out of 10. So the third product they sent me is their activated charcoal Dead Sea mud mask, and I must say that I love this product amongst all of them, and this product is amazing. It is made of activated charcoal. It has many good ingredients in it such as hyaluronic, charcoal powder, Dead Sea mud, green tea extract, rosehip oil, basil oil, calendula oil, walnut oil, mango butter. So talking about oils, if you are very oily skin, please skip this one. So I have this T-zone which is very oily and the rest of the skin is very dry, and this works great for me. So the texture of this mask is like very amazing. It's very creamy. You would actually feel very smooth after washing your face. It claims that it detoxifies your skin and removes excess oil and everything. It does that. You won't even feel that you are applying a face mask. Like other face masks, it dries up very badly on the skin and it can cause wrinkles and fine lines, but it doesn't dry up at all. You can keep this mask for 15 to 20 minutes or even half an hour, and you will see that instant glow you get after washing your face. So talking about the smell here, I love the fragrance this has, and it's kind of floral and herbal smell, and I love it a lot. I won't complain about the smell again, and I would rate this product 10 out of 10 because I love it and I force my family to use this as well. So talking about my overall experience, I like the face wash and the mud mask a lot. I did like the serum, but it wasn't that effective. So this product didn't cause me any breakout, but still you guys need to do a patch test before using any skincare product on your skin and see if it really works out for you. And for my oily skin beauties out there, I would highly recommend you guys to use this face wash and this mud mask while the offer lasts, and you can buy it from any of the links I will give down in the description box. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my honest reviews and opinions on skincare products. Even if I do collaborations, I won't like misleading you guys for anything. So yeah guys, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.